The BRACED Commission Council don't elect Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki as the new Chairmo of the Commission, as the council pledged to address challenges where the BRACED Commission they face. Omunga people wait tanda for the meeting now. Governor of Bayelsa State, Senator Doyediri, Governor of Rivers State, Sasimi Alayi Fubara, Governor of Akwa Ibom State, Umi Eno, Deputy Governor of Delta State, Sir Monday Oyemachi, Governor of Cross River State, Senator Prince Bassi Otu, come day absent from the meeting. And other persons will join for the meeting now, Commissioners for Budget and Planning from the 6 states and the Secretariat of the BRACED Commission, among others. The meeting shall be behind closed doors for Government House, Benin City, Edo State, as the Chairman of the Commission, Godwin Obaseki, can to people the cocoa of the matter after the end of the meeting. Oga Obaseki can also the meeting at the first for the new dispensation and said the time where they take hold the meeting they important for the history of Niger as we nation they face many challenges. A talk say now on top of this background, the South region will redefine their place and roles for the economy development of Niger and for the benefits of the people. Oga Obaseki can still read out the 7-point communique.
The BRACED Commission Governors Council concluded its meeting in Benin City, and I have the singular pleasure and honor to have hosted this afternoon my brother governors from the other BRACED states. For those of you who may not know, the BRACED Commission is an acronym for the 6 states of the South-South region of Nigeria, specifically Bayelsa, Rivers, Akwa Ibom, Cross Rivers, Edo, and Delta. In that order forms the BRACED states, and accompanied by members of by commissioners of budget and planning from the various states and the Secretariat of the BRACED Commission. We resolved in a meeting today the following. The meeting began with the election of myself, Godwin Obaseki, Governor of Edo State, as the new chairman of the BRACED Commission Governors Council. I welcome my colleagues to Benin City and observed that the meeting was the first in the new dispensation. I congratulated the governors elected in March 2023 and also His Excellency Senator Doyediri of Bayelsa State, who was re-elected in November 2023 for the second term. This meeting is being held at a critical time in the history of our country as we face very serious and enormous challenges. It is against this background that the South-South region must redefine its place and role in the economic development of Nigeria and for the benefits of our people. The Director General of our commission made a presentation to the BRACED Commission, briefing us on the story so far since the commission came into inception, and informed us of the work which has been done by the commission in the areas of agriculture, education, environment, power, and sports. On the various contributions from members, the council members spoke of the compelling need to collectively accelerate the development of the states and affirmed their support for the imperatives of the South-South economic cooperation and integration as a practical step towards the creation of a zone of economic development. Arising from these, we expressed our determination and commitment to drive the process for cooperation and integration in the zone and pledged to address the challenges faced by the BRACED Commission. Accordingly, Council resolved as follows. 1, to foster regional economic cooperation and integration with a view to achieving sustainable development through the development of a strong regional economy for the collective benefit of the people of the South-South, and invigorate the process of regional economic cooperation and integration. 2, to establish and inaugurate the BRACED Business Council. This council should endeavor to forge a closer partnership with the Business Council and utilize it to provide and improve the business climate to attract investors and businesses into the region. 3, to collectively engage the federal government on the development of key infrastructure in the region, particularly roads, rail development, and the decentralization and rehabilitation of seaports in the region, as well as the management of security in the country at large. 4, to engage the NDDC to ensure that its activities benefit the BRACED states. 5, to direct the Commissioners of Environment and Attorney Generals of the states to meet on climate issues affecting the states, particularly mangrove swamps. 6, to forge a closer and cordial relationship with other regions for the creation of economic corridor that will immensely be beneficial to all these regions. 7, to pledge our commitment to work with the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria to improve the standard of living of the people of the South-South region of Nigeria. The governors commit to work with and support each other for the purpose of improving the well-being and welfare of the people of the South-South. And finally, we directed the Director General to take steps to implement all the decisions that we took today and report back to the Council before its next meeting in March 2024 in Bayelsa State.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Government House, Benin City, Ekata Ojisole, TMC TV News.